Yes, look at page 17, question 10. Smart Limited has reported a net profit of rupees 2 crores for the second quarter ending on 30/9/14. Unlike second quarter, after considering the following items. So we have to see from which point of view? Second quarter. Now, 50% of advance expenditure of rupees 50 lakhs, wait, advertisement expenditure. 50% of advertisement expenditure of rupees 50 lakhs incurred in second quarter has been deferred to third quarter as usually high. Means because it's usually high, so it is deferred to third quarter. So, Richa, what will we do? Yes? What amount? 25 lakhs. Which 25 lakhs? Which has been deferred to third quarter. Yes, correct. Be addendum. See, you have spent second quarter, third quarter, first quarter and fourth. You have spent rupees 50 lakhs in second quarter. Okay. But what is done is 50% amount is 50% of advertisement expense incurred in second quarter has been deferred to third quarter. Means in this quarter you have taken only 25 lakhs and 50% you have taken in the next quarter, that is 25 lakhs. Now what is the discrete view? What is the discrete view? If 50 lakhs is spent in second quarter, full 50 lakhs should be taken in second quarter. So should you take this 50% and defer it and carry forward to third quarter? No. If you take this again in second quarter, what will happen? Second quarter's profit will decrease. So we will minus this 25 lakhs which has been deferred to third quarter. Did you understand this, everyone? Any confusion? A dividend of 12 lakhs received during expenses there. If you take that 25 lakhs expense in second quarter, then will the profit increase or decrease? It will decrease, we do minus. Instead of 50 lakhs, we have taken only 25 lakhs in second quarter. And 25 lakhs we have taken in third quarter, which is wrong. As per the discrete view, full 50 lakhs should be taken in second quarter. So if you take that 25 lakhs also in second quarter, further the profit will decrease. Yes, if quarter 3's point of view was asked, then you would have said that in quarter 3 we have taken 25 lakhs which we should not have taken. We have to transfer it back to quarter 2. So when the expense of 25 lakhs you remove from quarter 3, then quarter 3's profits would increase. Is everyone clear with this? Now, dividend of 12 lakhs received during the quarter has been recognized to the extent of 8 lakhs only in, 4 lakhs only in second quarter. So, Prakriti, no, we have to add 8 lakhs. Dividend received is an income. We have received 12 lakhs in second quarter, but we have recorded only 4 lakhs in second quarter. Means remaining 8 lakhs maybe we have taken in other quarters. If you take full 12 lakhs, recognized means recorded. It is recorded to the extent of only 4 lakhs. Remaining 8 lakhs also you take it in this quarter. It's an income. So if you take remaining 8 lakhs in this quarter, what will happen? The profit will increase. It is an income, okay? Any confusion with this? Remaining 8 lakhs is not included in quarter 2. It's an income dividend receipt. If you include it in quarter 2, the profits will increase. During the second quarter, depreciation method was changed from WDV to SLM. It has resulted in excess depreciation of 10 lakhs and entire amount has been charged in quarter 2. Though the share of second quarter is only 3 lakhs. Reena?
You'll add 7 lakhs.
You'll add 7 lakhs. Share of quarter 2 is only 3 lakhs. We have taken full 10 lakhs. Means, first of all, maybe in this year you don't have only this point. As I said, the changing from WDV to SLF point has been revised as per AS 10, and now we don't have to do it with retrospective effect, we have to do it with prospective. So mostly you should not have it, but additional depreciation of 10 lakhs has occurred. But what is the share of the current quarter? 3 lakhs. How much more depreciation we have taken? 7 lakhs. If you remove that depreciation, it's an expense. If you remove that depreciation of 7 lakhs, will the profit increase or decrease? Increase. So further profit will increase by 7 lakhs. Do you understand this portion, everyone? So, get down. As per AS 25, yes, should be any confusion?
We have to subtract it from second quarter because it is already
No.
included.
You do add it. 10 lakhs of depreciation is an expense taken in second quarter. We should have taken only 3 lakhs. Now, if you remove the expense of 7 lakhs, will the profit increase or decrease? It will increase because you are removing the expense. So, you add 7 lakhs. Okay, 7 lakhs more depreciation is taken in second quarter. Yes, anyone else having any confusions? All okay with this? So, as per AS 25 discrete view, advertisement expenditure deferred to the next quarter is not correct. First of all, full amount should be charged to. So therefore, the profit will decrease by rupees 25 lakhs in bracket 50 lakhs into 50%, which is taken in next quarter. Did you understand this portion, everyone? Then next point below that, dividend. So dividend received in second quarter should be fully recognized in second quarter. So thus, profits will increase by rupees 8 lakhs. In bracket 12 lakhs minus 4 lakhs. Okay, they have taken only 4 lakhs. Further, if you take 8 lakhs in second quarter, the profits will increase. And third point, additional depreciation, full amount charged in second quarter, is not correct. So since the share of second quarter is rupees 3 lakhs, comma, the profits will increase by rupees 7 lakhs. In bracket 10 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. So everyone is clear with it? Now below the write down, therefore correct profit is equal to now what is the profit given for quarter 2 at the top? 2 crores. including 7 zeros, minus 25 lakhs plus 8 lakhs plus 7 lakhs. 1 crore 90 lakhs. Do you all understand this? Now, let us take up the remaining questions of university paper set. As I said, I want that first all of you do the markings on your own. Question 12b. Read it and do the markings. Question 12b. All of you read it and do the markings on your own. Accounts of Navya Limited showed a net profit of 7,20,000 for the third quarter ending 31/12/2012. We will see everything from the point of view of third quarter. Okay. Now, bad debts of 40,000 incurred during the second quarter. 50% of bad debts have been deferred to the next quarter. So, Moini, what will we do? Bad debts of 40,000 incurred during the quarter. 50% of the bad debts have been deferred to the next quarter. 20,000 you will minus. Correctly identified. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to see from the point of view of second quarter. Bad debts of third quarter. Bad debts of 40,000 have taken place in third quarter. But 50% we deferred to next quarter means we have taken 50% in this quarter and 50% in next quarter. Is this correct? Yeah. No. As per the discrete view, full 40,000 should be taken in third quarter. So now if you bring this 20,000 back in third quarter, what will happen? Profit will decrease by 20,000. Did you understand this? Next. Okay, 60,000 extraordinary gain received on July 31, 2012 was allocated equally to second, third and fourth quarters of financial year 2013. What will we do? How much? 20,000. We'll add 20,000. Should we add or minus? Minus 20,000 extraordinary gain. First of all, unlike July 31st, that is which quarter? Second quarter. Market is quarter 2. July comes in second quarter. We have received 60,000 of gain in second quarter, but we have allocated it equally to second, third, fourth quarter. We have allocated it equally to second, third and fourth quarter. Now see from third quarter's point of view. What we should have done, we should have taken full 60 in second quarter. So you'll remove this from third and bring it in second. You'll remove this from fourth and bring it in second. Right now we are concerned with only third quarter. If you remove the gain of 20,000 from third quarter, the profit will decrease. Minus 20,000. Did everyone of you understand this? Anyone having any doubt in this? Third one. So here this quarter's profit will decrease by 20,000. 16,000 cumulative effect loss resulting from change in method of inventory valuation was recognized on 2nd November 2012. Out of this, loss of 10,000 relates to previous quarters. Vishmita? 10,000 plus. Correct. 16,000 of loss we have taken in November means third quarter, but 10,000 relates to unlike previous quarters that we should not have taken. So if you remove 10,000 of expense loss from third quarter, the profits will increase. Did you understand this? So 10,000 also we have to add. Right out. As per AS 25 discrete view, as per AS 25 discrete view. See, until you try the things on your own, you'll not be able to do this. The chapter is easy, not difficult, but you have to think. Okay, you need to use your common sense to understand how does it affect the quarter. So until you read and do it on your own, you'll not be able to understand. As per AS 25 discrete view, backdates differ to the next quarter is not correct. Full stop. Full backdates should be charged in third quarter. Full stop. Thus, profits will decrease by rupees 20,000 in bracket 40,000 into 50%. Any confusion in this? Second point. Extraordinary gain received in second quarter should be fully recognized in second quarter. So amount allocated to third and fourth quarter is not correct. Amount allocated to third and fourth quarter is not correct. Okay, so if you remove the gain, the profit will decrease. So therefore, third quarter's profits will decrease by rupees 20,000. Therefore, third quarter's profits will decrease by rupees 20,000. Is everyone clear with it? And last point. Loss due to change in method of inventory valuation. Relating to past quarters. Should not be charged in third quarter. Relating to past quarters should not be charged in third quarter. Now, how much related to past quarters is charged in third quarters? Last information, 10,000. So that if you remove the loss, the profits will increase. So thus the profits will increase by rupees 10,000. Thus the profits will increase by rupees 10,000. Did you understand this? Therefore, correct profit is equal to, now what is the profit given for third quarter? 7,20,000. In that we will minus 20,000 of bad debts, 20,000 of extraordinary gain plus 10,000 of inventory loss. 6,90,000 is the correct profits. So all are clear with this? Question 14A. First do the markings on your own. MIT Limited reports a net profit of 6,60,000 for the third quarter. And then third quarter. So again we will see from quarter third point of view. Now, third quarter ended 31st December 2013 after taking into consideration the following. First, of the bad debts, 40,000 incurred during the current quarter. Means in third quarter bad debts of 40,000 are incurred and 50% has been deferred to the next quarter. Exactly same point. So what will you do? This 20,000, if you bring it here, the profits will decrease by 20,000. The extraordinary gain realized in the current quarter for 45,000 has been duly charged, fully charged or recognized in the current quarter, so no effect. Full 45,000 has already been taken in the current quarter, so it will have no effect. Third, extraordinary loss of rupees 60,000 incurred in the first quarter was equally allocated to each quarter. Means we have taken 20 in second, first 20 in 15. So 60,000 divided by 4, we have taken 15, 15, 15 and again 15,000 in the last quarter. Ankil, what will we do? $60,000 of extraordinary loss incurred in first quarter is taken and allocated equally in each quarter. Each quarter we have taken 15,000. From quarter 3's point of view, what will you do? Minus 15. No. Should we take this 15 in this quarters? We should take full 60 in? So if you bring it back to first quarter, if you remove the loss from third quarter, what will happen? Profit will increase. Okay, loss should not have been taken in third quarter, it should have been taken in first quarter. If you remove the loss of 15,000 from third quarter, the profits will increase. We'll add 15,000. Sale of investment in the first quarter resulted in a gain of rupees 4 lakhs. First quarter there is a gain of 4 lakhs. Now, it has been apportioned equally to each of the quarters. Again, 1, 1, 1, 1. So, Bhavesh, minus 1 lakh. We should take full 4 lakhs in first quarter. If you bring it back all the amounts, then particularly we are concerned with quarter 3. If you remove the gain of 1 lakhs from quarter 3, the profit will decrease by rupees 1 lakh. Who all could get the markings correct? All the markings. So everyone is clear with it? Ask me if you are not clear with any of the points, raise your hand. All are clear with this? So as per AS 25 discrete view, as per AS 25 discrete view, our bad debts incurred in quarter 3 should be fully recognized in quarter 3. So therefore, the profits will decrease by rupees 20,000. Okay, below that, extraordinary gain realized in third quarter and fully recognized in third quarter is correct. So therefore it will have no effect. Therefore it will have no effect. Is everyone clear with this? Next, extraordinary loss incurred in first quarter should be fully recognized in first quarter. First amount allocated to second, third and fourth quarters is not correct. Okay, so if you remove the loss, the third quarter's profit will increase. So thus the profits of third quarter will increase. Thus the profits of third quarter will increase by rupees 15,000. In bracket 60,000 divided by 4. And if it was asked from second and fourth quarter's point of view, same effect. But if it was asked from first quarter's point of view, if it was asked from first quarter's point of view, then this 45, if you bring it here, the loss minus the profits would decrease. If it was asked from first quarter's point of view, you would have said that profits would decrease by 45,000, which is not taken in first quarter. Did you understand this? And last point, gain on sale of investment in first quarter. Gain on sale of investment in first quarter should be fully recognized in first quarter. Okay. First off, amount allocated to second, third and fourth quarter. Amount allocated to second, third and fourth quarter is not correct. So now from third quarter, if you remove the gain, the profit will decrease. So thus third quarter's profits will decrease by rupees 1 lakh. Okay. In bracket 4 lakhs divided by 4. So correct profit will be 6,60,000. Now from the first adjustment it will decrease by 20,000. From the third adjustment no effect, second adjustment no effect, third adjustment it will increase by 15,000 and fourth adjustment it will decrease by 1 lakh. So 660 minus 20, 640 plus 15, 655 minus 1 lakh, 555. Is everyone clear with this? Any confusions? I think we'll discuss 16, 17 and 18. Okay, and you'll take it in homework. We'll just discuss this effects, how it will be given. Now you must be able to do it. So question 16. B. 16A is done already? 16B. Neon Limited has net income of rupees 10 lakhs for the quarter ended 30th September means second quarter. We have to see from second quarter's point of view, including the following items. First, $1,20,000 extraordinary gain received on July. July means second quarter. You have received gain of 1,20,000 in July, that means second quarter. Okay, April, May, June is first quarter, July, August, September is second quarter. Now it was allocated equally to second, third and fourth quarter. So what we have done is 1,20,000 divided by 3, 40,000, 40,000, 40,000 equally to the 3 quarters. Priyam, what will we do from second quarter's point of view now? Minus? What amount? Minus 40. Devan? Minus 80,000. Alas?
Minus 80,000.
Suraj?
Plus 80,000.
Why minus? It's a gain. Gain of 1,20,000 is received in second quarter, so full 120 should be taken in second quarter. But we have taken 40, 40, 40. If you bring this 40 back in this quarters, then now what will happen? Profit will increase by 80,000. Okay, that amounts which we have taken in third and fourth quarter are not correct. So quarter two's profits will increase by 80,000. Is everyone clear with this? Any confusions? Next, rupees 18,000 cumulative effect loss resulting from change in method of inventory valuation was recognized on August 2nd, 2014, that is second quarter. But out of this, a net loss of 10,000 relates to previous quarter, which we should not have taken. So if you remove the loss, profit will increase. So simply underline 10,000, profit will increase by 10,000 in this quarter. Bad debts of 50,000 incurred during the current quarter. 50% of bad debts have been deferred to next quarter. Means you are getting 25,000 here, 25,000 here, next quarter. So clear? Yes, we should take full 50,000 of bad debts in second quarter. If you bring this bad debts 25,000 in second quarter, the profits will decrease. So your profits will decrease by rupees 25,000. And last one. In second quarter, the company charged depreciation method from WDV to changed depreciation from WDV to SLM, which resulted in excess depreciation of 3 lakhs. The entitled amount has been debited in second quarter, entire amount it should be, though the share of second quarter is only rupees 2 lakhs. So how much extra depreciation we have charged? See, depreciation in second quarter we have taken 3 lakhs, but share is only 2 lakhs. So how much extra we have taken? 1 lakh. If you remove the depreciation of 1 lakh, what will happen? Profit will increase. Okay, extra we have taken. If you remove the depreciation of 1 lakh, then profit will increase by 1 lakh. Question 17. X Limited has rupees 3 lakhs net income of the third quarter. So now again you see from point of view of third quarter. Okay, we have to see from the point of view of third quarter. Three lakhs is reported after taking into consideration the following items. First, extraordinary gain. How much of gain is received? July means second quarter. In second quarter we have received 90,000. It was allocated equally to second, third and fourth quarter means 30,000 is taken in each quarter. We have to see from which quarter's point of view? Third quarter's point of view. Priyank? From third quarter's point of view, what are we supposed to do first of all? Minus. We have to bring 30,000 in which quarter? Second quarter. If you remove the gain from third quarter, the profits will decrease by 30,000. And from second quarter's point of view, what you would have done? From second quarter's point of view, added 60,000. That 60,000 you would have taken in second quarter. Second, 30,000 cumulative effect loss. This no need to write it in the report. Change in method of inventory valuation was recognized in November means third quarter. Out of this, and then loss of 20,000 relates to previous quarters. Previous quarter we should not have taken. If you remove the loss, profit will increase. So 20,000 will increase. You can put arrow of increase. Now out of bad debts, 50,000 incurred during the current quarter means third quarter. 50% have been deferred to next quarter means 25 we have taken here, 25 we have taken in next quarter. So yes, this 25,000 we should take in third quarter itself. You bring it back to third quarter, the profits will decrease, will minus 25,000. And last one, sale of investment in and then first quarter resulted in a gain of 2 lakhs. So gain of 2 lakhs has occurred in first quarter. It has been apportioned equally to each quarter, means 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 2 lakhs divided by 4. Did you understand this? Whereas full 2 lakhs we should take only in first quarter. So if you bring all these amounts back in first quarter, what will happen in quarter 3? If you remove 50,000 of gain, the profit will decrease by 50,000. Did you understand this, everyone? And last question, 18C. 18B was done earlier or not?
Yes.
So 18C. Look at question 18C. X Limited has a net income of 12 lakhs for the quarter ended on 31st December means third quarter. First one, 90,000 of extraordinary gain received in July, second quarter. Now, was allocated equal to second, third and fourth quarter means we have taken 30, 30, 30. From third quarter's point of view, Samath, yes, if you bring 30,000 back to second quarter, in third quarter the profits will decrease by 30,000. You able to understand this, everyone? Then loss. 30,000 cumulative effect loss resulting from change in method of inventory evaluation was recognized from November 1, 2015, and then out of this loss of 20,000 relates to previous quarter. So that we should not take in third quarter. If you remove the loss in third quarter, profit will increase. Simply mark it as arrow of increase against 20,000. Back debts of 40,000 incurred during the quarter, means quarter 3. 50% has been deferred to next quarter. You are taking 20,000 and 20,000 in next. If you bring it back, what will happen? Minus. Profits will decrease by 20,000. And last one, sales promotion expense incurred in the third quarter rupees 15 lakhs. We have incurred in third quarter 15 lakhs. 80% of which has been deferred to the fourth quarter as sales in the last quarter is high. Means here you have taken only 20%, that is 3 lakhs, and 80%, that is 12 lakhs, you have taken in fourth quarter. So it is an expense. If you bring this 12 lakhs back in third quarter, what will happen? Expense, the profits will decrease. Full 15 lakhs should be charged in third quarter itself. So did you all understand this portion? So the chapter is over. Interim segment reporting. Okay. Now next chapter, segment reporting, will start tomorrow. Okay. Just wait for a while. Audit lecture is also there and marathon kits are distributed. See, Akshay is there.